Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Stripe to accept payments in your no-code app step by step clearly. Start by logging into your no-code app platform. Navigate to the dashboard or settings area of your application. Look for the section dedicated to integrations or payment processing. Select the option to add a new payment gateway. Search for Stripe in the list of available payment options. Click on the Stripe integration link to proceed. You may be prompted to create a Stripe account if you don't already have one. Follow the on-screen instructions to sign up for a new account. Once your account is created, log into the Stripe dashboard. Now, locate your API keys in the Stripe dashboard. Go to the Developers section on the left menu. Select API keys from the submenu. Copy your publishable key and secret key for later use. Return to your no-code app platform. Paste the publishable key into the designated field. Now, find the field for the secret key and enter it as well. Look for any additional settings related to Stripe, such as webhooks. If required, set up webhooks by providing the URL from your no-code app. This URL can often be found in your app's settings under webhooks or integrations. Test the connection to ensure Stripe is properly integrated with your app. Make a test payment using fake card details provided by Stripe. Monitor the transaction in both your no-code app and the Stripe dashboard. Once confirmed, you're ready to go live. Configure any additional settings such as currency and payment methods. Ensure that you follow compliance and security best practices as outlined by Stripe. Your no-code app is now set up to accept payments via Stripe. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.